What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that processes data to perform tasks according to a set of instructions. It takes input, processes the data, and provides output. कंप्यूटर एक मशीन है जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक तरीके से डेटा को संसाधित करता है। इसका मुख्य काम डेटा को इनपुट, जैसे कीबोर्ड, माउस से लेना, यूज प्रोसेस करना किसी प्रोग्राम या निर्देशों के आधार पर और फिर आउटपुट देना होता है, जैसे मॉनिटर, प्रिंटर पर जानकारी दिखाना। कंप्यूटर गणना करने, डेटा को स्टोर करने और कई जटिल कार्यों को बहुत तेजी से करने में सक्षम है, जिसे आईसी शिक्षा, व्यापार, विज्ञान और अन्य क्षेत्रों में उपयोग किया जाता है। Components of a computer. There are basically two types of computer components: hardware and software. Central processing unit, it is the brain of the computer, responsible for processing instructions and performing calculations. Random access memory is temporary storage that holds data and programs currently in use, allowing for quick access. Two types of storage devices. First, hard disk drive. It is traditional storage for files and applications. Secondly, solid-state drive. It is faster storage device with no moving parts. Motherboard, the main circuit board that connects all components, including CPU, memory, and storage. Power supply unit. It converts electrical power from an outlet into usable power for the computer's components. Input devices. It is a tools for user input, such as a keyboard and mouse. Output devices. It is equipment that displays or outputs information, like monitors and printers. Graphics processing unit. It handles rendering of images and video, important for gaming and graphic design. Software are two types: system software and application software. System software is a collection of programs designed to manage computer hardware and provide a platform for application software. It acts as an intermediary between users and the computer hardware. Operating systems is the software that manages computer hardware and software resources. Examples: Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Device drivers. It is specialized programs that allow the operating system to communicate with hardware peripherals. Examples: printers, graphics cards. Utility programs. It is a tools that perform maintenance tasks, such as antivirus software, disk management, and backup tools. System management tools, applications that help monitor and optimize system performance. Application software refers to programs designed to perform specific tasks for users. Productivity software, tools like word processors. Example: Microsoft Word, spreadsheets. Example: Excel, and presentation software. Example: PowerPoint. Database software are applications that manage data, such as Microsoft Access or MySQL. Web browsers are software used to access the internet. Example: Chrome, Firefox. Multimedia software is programs for editing audio, video, and images. Examples: Adobe Photoshop, Final Cut Pro. Games. It is interactive software designed for entertainment. Communication tools are applications for messaging and video conferencing. Examples: Slack, Zoom. Basic functions of a computer. A computer performs 4 basic functions, often referred to as the IPOS model. Input. Computers receive data and instructions from input devices like keyboards, mice, scanners, and microphones. Processing. The CPU processes the input data according to the instructions provided. This involves calculations, comparisons, and data manipulation. Output. After processing, computers produce output in various forms, such as text, images, or sounds, using output devices like monitors, printers, and speakers. Storage. Computers save data and information for future use. This can be done through primary storage, RAM for temporary data, and secondary storage, HDD, SSD for long-term data retention. Types of computers. Supercomputers, these are the fastest and most powerful computers capable of performing trillions of calculations per second. They are used for tasks requiring immense processing power, such as climate modeling, molecular simulations, and complex scientific research. Supercomputers often consist of thousands of processors working in parallel. Mainframe computers. Mainframes are large, powerful machines primarily used by large organizations for critical applications, bulk data processing, and transaction processing. They can handle thousands of users simultaneously and are known for their reliability, security, and ability to manage vast amounts of data. Mini-computers, also known as mid-range computers, mini-computers are smaller than mainframes but larger than personal computers. They were popular in the 1960s to 1980s for business applications, allowing multiple users to run applications simultaneously. While their use has declined, they played a significant role in early computing. Microcomputers, these are what most people think of as personal computers. Microcomputers are compact and affordable, making them suitable for individual users. They include desktops, laptops, and tablets, equipped with a microprocessor and designed for a wide range of tasks, from word processing to gaming. Workstations, these are high-performance computers designed for technical or scientific tasks. They often have powerful processors, large amounts of RAM, and advanced graphics capabilities. Workstations are used in fields like engineering, graphic design, and 3D modeling. Embedded systems, these are specialized computing systems integrated into other devices to perform dedicated functions. Examples include the control systems in cars, appliances like washing machines, and medical devices. They are often real-time systems designed to operate within specific constraints. Servers are computers that provide services to other computers over a network. They can host websites, store files, manage databases, and run applications. Servers vary in size and capacity, from small file servers to large data centers that support thousands of users. Gaming consoles, these are specialized devices designed primarily for playing video games. They have optimized hardware and software to deliver high-quality graphics and performance. Examples include PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch, each with its own ecosystem of games and services. Thank you for watching Nixu Info. Please subscribe and follow for further videos.